Okay, earlier in the video, on the other video down below, I said that you have to get these two, the Bitcoin and the trophy, for beating only up. But since I don't feel like you guys are trusting, I'm gonna do it for y'all.
Can I use my fly?
Shut up, kiddo.
Shoot, I can't fly?
No. There's a time when now this part is slip. I'm dead. Kids, it's your last day at school. Yay! Woo! Dude, calm down. You're gonna be back next year. Sorry for copywriting. It's an actual video. Okay, we did it. So the part I jumped, I jumped so quick there. It's because it's slippery. No, I'm not gonna die here. Trust. You see? I have to walk very slowly until I see a green thing. Okay. Yeah. So what I did here is that what I'm talking about is that you have to choose others. I don't know these two. I don't know about the last one. But what I don't know is that, okay, this one's collidable. Okay. Keep my hands up. Where's my Bitcoin at? Where's my trophy? I thought I had drink inside. I thought I had beat. No, what happened? I can move just a little. Oh, we're here. So these disappear. I don't like that. And here's mod. Did the thing not fully loaded in? Okay, there it goes. It was too fast. That it just didn't spawn. I am not moving. Okay. If you want me to beat it fair and square, no long arms, tell me in the comments and I will. And I will beat it fair and square. No, okay, let me repeat what I said. So, okay, look, here's the trophy and the Bitcoin. There, I did it. Great job. You have won level 1. Play 2 now. So there, I did do it. Where am I? So if you want me to beat it fair and square, comment fair and square. So I know that you guys want me to beat it fair and square. Okay. Bye.